Imagine this. You've lost your hearing for 20 years. You're preparing for a cochlear implant. But then, you get your teeth fixed. And suddenly, you can hear again. Wait, what? Hi everyone. Welcome back to Cognitive Chronicles, where stories meet science. Today's story is not fiction. It happened right here in India. And it might just mean something very interesting for people like me. And maybe like you, dealing with tinnitus. So here's the headline I stumbled upon. Surat woman regains hearing after getting dental implants. Let's rewind. A 63-year-old woman from Surat had severe hearing loss for nearly 20 years. She had even given up on social life, stopped talking on the phone, avoided conversations, and was about to get a cochlear implant. But just before the surgery, she had a full-mouth dental implant procedure. Implants, jaw alignment, TMJ rehabilitation, and nerve decompression. And boom, her hearing started to come back. Not just a little, enough for doctors to cancel her cochlear implant. Now I'm not going to lie. When I first read this, I did a double take. Then I thought, hey, I have tinnitus. Could fixing teeth fix my ears? Turns out, the answer is a surprisingly interesting maybe. Let's dive deeper. So what's the connection between teeth and ears? Let me introduce you to the TMJ, the temporomandibular joint, the hinge that connects your jaw to your skull, sitting right in front of your ears. And this joint isn't just bones, it's full of nerves, like the auriculotemporal nerve, which connects your jaw, your face, and, yes, parts of your ear canal and eardrum. Now imagine if this joint is misaligned due to missing teeth, grinding, poor bite, or tension. These nerves can get compressed, irritated, or chronically inflamed. That could mean ear pain, tinnitus, that weird blocked ear feeling, even conductive hearing loss. And here's where it gets real. In Surat woman's case, her dental work may have realigned the jaw, released pressure on the compressed nerves, and even improved bone conduction of sound through the skull. It's like her inner sound system was switched back on. Now let's talk neuroplasticity. When the ears stop sending accurate sound signals for a long time, say, due to nerve pressure or poor conduction, your brain compensates. In some people that becomes hearing loss. In others, it becomes phantom sounds, tinnitus. Now, here's the exciting part. If you restore proper jaw function, relieve nerve pressure, or stimulate bone conduction, it could send new signals to the brain. And in some cases, that can reverse old patterns. Kind of like cleaning up static from a broken radio. There's even evidence that the brain's auditory pathways can be retrained with proper stimulation. Some studies suggest that restoring sensory input to these pathways can reduce tinnitus perception. So yes, dental work can technically help the brain rewire. Now, let's bring this back to me, and maybe to you. I've been living with tinnitus, that never-ending ringing, buzzing, or high-pitched hum in your ears. If you're in this club, you know what I mean. It's like having a personal DJ who only plays mosquito songs. But now, this story made me ask, could my jaw be part of the problem? Here's what you should know. TMJ disorders are very commonly linked with tinnitus. Grinding teeth, clenching your jaw, or poor dental alignment can irritate shared nerves. Fixing your bite, using dental night guards, or exploring TMJ therapy has helped some people lower their tinnitus volume. And though not guaranteed, some patients with dental implants have reported reduced tinnitus. So, if you have ringing in the ears and also jaw pain or clicking, missing or misaligned teeth, uneven bite, it might be worth asking your dentist and ENT about this connection. And this isn't just anecdotal. A 2025 Korean study showed that individuals with more teeth or implants had better hearing thresholds even after adjusting for age and health. Other studies found that TMJ dysfunction was present in up to 80% of tinnitus patients. Some researchers are even exploring nerve decompression surgeries for both TMJ and tinnitus relief. So no, this isn't magic. Not every case of tinnitus or hearing loss can be solved by fixing your teeth. But it shows how interconnected our systems are: jaw, nerves, ears, and brain. If you're struggling with tinnitus or ear issues, and you also have jaw tension or dental issues, it might be time to get a TMJ assessment or talk to a neuro-specialized dentist. Who knows? Your next ENT visit might just start at the dentist's chair. Sometimes the noise in your head isn't psychological, it might just be dental. And this was another curious journey into the mind and body with Cognitive Chronicles. If you liked this episode, drop a like, share it with someone who's tired of the ringing, and don't forget to subscribe for more psychological storytelling every week.